Hello everyone. In this video, let me see about CRT related, that is Chinese remainder theorem problem number 1. Let me solve the problem. Find x for the given set of congruent equation using Chinese remainder theorem. X congruent of 1 mod 5, x congruent 2 mod 7, x congruent 3 mod 9, x congruent 4 mod 11. Let us solve the problem. First of all, write the solution. Next, write the given data. Here x congruent of a1, that's the general format, okay, a1 mod m1, okay, that's x congruent of a2 of mod m2, okay, then x3 congruent of a3 mod m3. Likewise, here four congruent given, no? So again, write x congruent of a4 of mod m4. Okay, here instead of here, this is a general format. Write the given, just to compare the given value to the general format. Here x congruent of 1. A1 value given as 1. No, this is for A1 value, A2, A3 and A4. Here M1, M2, M3, M4. Likewise, here write 1 mod 5. That's given in the problem. Likewise, for the second congruent, x congruent of 2 of mod 7. Likewise, third, x congruent of third one, 3. Mod 9. The last one, x congruent of 4 mod 11. Okay. Next, see right here where a1 equal to a1, okay, first a1 equal to and a3 equal to and a4. Likewise, here also write m1 equal to m2 equal to m3 equal to and m4. Refer the problem, write the values. A1, here this is for a1, no, a1 1 and a2 here 2. Here A3 3 and A4 as 4. Likewise, M1 value 5 and M2 7, M3 9, M4 11. See here M1, M2, M3, M4. Here the value is there's A1, A2, A3 and A4. Our aim to find what are the values of we have to find M1, M2, M3, M4 and M1 inverse, M2 inverse and that's M3 inverse and M4 inverse. Okay, then only find the value of, we can able to find the value of x. Because of x, we need all the terms. Okay, A1, A2, A3, A4, M1, M2, M3, M4 as well as M1 to M4 and M1 inverse to M4 inverse. Okay, let me solve one by one. First, write step 1. Step 1, to find capital M. Okay, to find capital M. The formula for M equal to M1, M2, M3 and M4. Okay, and capital M equal to, substitute the respective values, 5 into 7 into 9 into 11. So capital M equal to 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay, this is for capital M1. M. Okay, based on this value, next step, find the value of M1, M2, M3 and M4. Next step 2. Step 2, to find M1, M2, M3 and M4. Okay, see, write the formula. M1 equal to capital M divided by small m1. Here M value 3, 4, 6, 5 divided by small m1 value 5. The answer is 693. Okay, next M2. M equal M divided by small m2, right? 3, 4, 65 the whole divided by 7. 495. Next M3. Write the formula, capital M the whole divided by M3. 3, 4, 65 the whole divided by 9 equal to 385 by using calculator to calculate the value of all the m's. Okay. So M4 equal to capital M the whole divided by M4. 3, 4, 65 the whole divided by 11. M4 value given as 11. So 315. Now M1 value and M2 value and M3 value and M4 value. Okay. Next step 3 to find M1 inverse to M4 inverse. So next step 3 to find M1 inverse, comma M2 inverse, comma M3 inverse, comma M4 inverse. Okay. Next solve the data problem one by one. Next M1 inverse equal to the formula capital M1 into M1 inverse equal to 1 mod M1. Substitute the respective values here. That is here the arrow. Okay. Next substitute the respective values here. M1 value 693 into M1 inverse value we don't know, right? So equal to 1 mod small m1 value given as 5. Okay. It's very easy to find the value of m1 inverse. This is the m1 inverse. No, it's very simple by using one small calculation. Refer this calculation here 693. No, we don't know the exact value of m1 inverse. Then how to find the value of m1 inverse means just simple 690. Write this number m1. Okay, this is for m1 value 693. Multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to our wish. Okay, our aim to receive the remainder value as 1 up to receive remainder value as 1. Okay, right. So write one by one 693 into 1 equal to 693 divided by 5. See the procedure 693 into 1 equal to 693 divided by this m1 value, small m1. This is for small m1 value. This is for capital M1, right? It's a formula. Okay. It's a formula. Here write the formula m into 1 equal to m divided by m1. This is a formula, right? Likewise, this 1 to be vary up to we receive the number of remainder value as 1. Okay, right? Okay, 693 into 1 equal to 693 divided by 5. The remainder value by using calculator to calculate the value of remainder equal to 3. So this is not yet considered because we need here remainder value is 1. No. So this is for remainder value. Okay, here's the remainder value. So up to 1. Next, that's discard that first step and for the second one. 693 into 2. Likewise, you have to divide the number. Here 693 equal to 2. No. So it's not the exact formula, just only for format. Okay. 6 because each and every step the values to be vary. 693 2 means 1386. So 1386 divided by 5. 5 is that small m1 value. Okay. Here the remainder value 1. In which step, in which number we have to receive the remainder value 1 means the particular number is known as capital M1 inverse. Okay. Here M1 inverse equal to the number is 2. Okay. Next step to find the value of M2 inverse. Okay. Next step M2 inverse. Write the formula. Here also write the formula M2 into M2 inverse equal to 1 mod small m2 value 7. No, so 7. Next write the M2 495 into M2 inverse equal to 1 mod 7. Then 495 into M2 inverse we don't know, right? M2 inverse equal to, here we don't know the value of M2 inverse, just to leave the space. Then 1 mod 7. Refer this calculation. See here, the same 495, right? See here Refer this number 495, right? This is for M2. So M2 value 495. First step, 495 into 1 equal to 495 divided by 7. The remainder value 5. So this is not yet correct. Then multiply by number 2. Likewise, you have to multiply up to we will receive the number that's remainder value is 1, right? So 492 into 2, 990 divided by 7, the remainder value 3. So this is also wrong. Okay. Then we have to multiply number 3, the remainder value to be 1. So this is the exact value of that's M2 inverse. Okay. So write the answer, M2 inverse equal to 3. Right. Likewise, find the value of M3 inverse. M3 inverse. Here write the formula same. Not M3, no. M2 or M3. Yes, M3. M3 into M3 inverse equal to 1 mod 9, right? M3 value 385 into M3 inverse we don't know, right? 1 mod, here mod 9, right? Yes. Then 385 into, we don't know the value of M2 inverse, they leave the space, 1 mod 9. See here, refer this calculation 385. This is for capital M4, no, sorry, M3, no, 385. So 385 into 1, the remainder value is 7. So this is wrong. Again, you have to multiply number 2, the remainder value 5. This is also not we can't able to take this number. Next, multiply by 3. Multiplied by 3, the remainder value 3. So this is also wrong. Then multiply by 4, the remainder value will be, that's 1. Okay. This is the exact value of M3 inverse. Okay. So M3 inverse value number 4. Then write the respective values. So M3 inverse equal to 4. Okay. The next step, find M4 inverse. For the next step. Okay. M4 inverse equal to, here write the formula, M4 into M4 inverse equal to 1 mod 11. Substitute the respective values. Here M4 value 315, right? 315 into M4 inverse equal to 1 mod 11. Next 315 into 1 mod 11. Refer the calculation. See here, this is the calculation to find that is M4 inverse. Here see, here several steps followed, right? 315, that's 315 nothing, M4. Okay, 315 multiplied by 1, the remainder value is 7. So wrong. And then 315 into 2, the remainder value 3. This also can't able to take. 315, 3, the remainder value 10. Up to like we have to 5. Then that particular number 6, 7 likewise, that's randomly that's multiply the number. We will wait for the remainder value to be 1, right? 315 into 8, the value to be that's 2520, the whole divided by 11 equal to, that's 11, the remainder value 1. So this is the exact value of M4 inverse, right? Okay, see, right? M4 inverse 8. Write the answer, M4 inverse equal to 8. And now we know M1, M2, M3, M4 value. Likewise, M1, there is M1 inverse, M2 inverse, M3 inverse and M4 inverse, right? Next, find the value of X by using the formula. Here next step 4, to find X. Here write the formula for X. X equal to, general formula, A1, M1, M1 inverse plus A2, M2, M2 inverse plus A3, M3, M3 inverse and A4, M4 and M4 inverse and mod capital M. Okay, because in the problem given us up to 4, A1, A2, A3 and A4. Then substitute the respective values. Here A1 value 1, right? Here write 1 by 1. Here the first one, A1 1 and M capital M1 value 693 into M1 inverse value 2. Then close the bracket. Then plus. Then open the bracket for the second term. Here A2 value 2. So 2 into M2 value 495. 495, right? 495 into M2 inverse value 3. Then close the bracket. Then third term. Next third A3 value 3, right? The given us 3 into M3 value 385 and M3 inverse value 4. Then close the bracket. Then last step. Then open the bracket for A4 value. Here the number is 4 and M4 value 315 and that is M4 inverse value A. No. Then close the bracket. The entire values mod capital M. Capital M here 3465. 3465. Just by using the calculator to calculate the value, these all numbers, write one by one. X equal to 1386 plus 2970 plus 4620 plus 10080 and mod 3465. Next simplification 19056 mod 3465, right? See, refer the steps. 19056. Follow to follow these three steps: division, multiplication, and subtraction. First one division, right? 19056 division of 3465. The answer will be that's 5.49 and take the rounded value. That's 5 into 3465. That's multiplication. Second step 17325. Third one 19056 minus the previous one number 17325. That is subtraction. Answer will be 1731. So the answer, that is x equal to 1731. Okay. For the next step, to check the unique. Okay. Step 5 for the final step. Step 5 to check the unique. Write the sentence. Our answer, we received the answer 1731. No, so 17 for checking process. 1731 congruent of 1 mod 5. Okay, and 1731 congruent of 2 of mod 7. Right, 1731 congruent of 3 mod 9 and 1731 congruent of 4 mod 11. See here, ordinary mod. Okay, here to find the mod value of 1731, that is 1731 divided by 5. Likewise, 3 steps. We received the answer. The remainder value. These all are remainder value. Okay, these all are remainder value. Remainder value 1731. That is the mod of 7. That the remainder value will be 2. Likewise. Okay. Hence, the final line. This solution is unique. Okay. The answer will be 1731. That's all about this problem.